living with harmony and peace sa Satulianti ng Perpetuo Diaz. Wala naman tayong dream kung hindi ang katahimikan ng ating bayan. Hopefully, this could probably a concerted effort and collaboration of all the sectors in this municipality to bring about peace, harmony, and progress in this municipality. And I am very much happy because, sabi ko nga ni, magkatabi lang ng BFP at ang PNP. Ito ang ating mga kakampi kung may mga sakuna o anumang kalamidad na dumarating sa ating bayan. And rest assured, sir, PD, that the local government unit of Pedro Diaz, the Sangguniang Bayan, the barangay officials, the religious sector will always be hand in hand for bringing about peace and harmony in this municipality. And lastly, gusto ko tabing pasalamatan ang intirong nasa likod kunatatan ng kayo kita kainin sa room building namin. Sabi ko nga, PD na ko kanina si PD, lahat naman ng munisipyo meron nito, may natitira pa raw na apat. So, ang importante, meron na ang Pedro Diaz at hindi na tayo behind pagdating sa municipal police station. Palagpakan natin. With that, itong ating Municipal Advisory Council is always in hand with the Chief of Police for some sort of talking about all the situation in Pedro Diaz. The barangay, the newly elected barangay officials here must ensure that there is an institution of Barangay Anti-Drug Abuse Council in your respective barangays, as required by the Department of Interior and Local Government. So, PD, maraming salamat sa inyong pagdating at kay Ma'am Rosalinda sa inyong pagdating at pagiging bahagi ng isang makasaysayan na pa-inaugurate at pa-dressing ng Pedro Diaz Municipal Police Building ngayong June 8, 2018. Maraming salamat po at magandang